Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome. Inflation. Welcome, everybody, to Martyn Lucas Investor. The markets are rallying at the moment. Don't get excited. Don't buy this. You buy the drops. You don't buy the pumps. The reason is it could be a pump before the announcement, and then you could get dumped on. So, very, very important. What do? Tap the like button is the first thing. Share this story out. We've got polls running on our X, Instagram, and our community pages on YouTube. Consider subscribing to the channel. We're aiming to get to 75,000 subscribers within the next couple of days and 100,000 by our birthday, the anniversary of the show, which is June the 27th. We're on target for June the 19th. And also, I can now tell you for the very first time some very exciting news. You won't have a clue what I'm talking about. I'll give you a little teaser though. We have just won the Oscars of YouTube. That'll all come and make sense when I put out this very special video. We've just won the Oscars on YouTube. All right, I'll let you know what that's all about later on. I just got alerted of that this morning. Very exciting. All right, stand by. We are in members only mode. We're doing many more of our shows now, members only mode. Why? Because it's not about how many subscribers I can get or how many people I can get. It's because I want quality of conversation. I don't want trolls, bots, scammers, people that are quite frankly annoying in the chat, people that are just ruining it for investors. So we are now focusing more and more and more on members only. If it means I get less subscribers and less viewers and earn less money, so be it. The idea is to provide the best service for my members, my viewers, my friends and family who watch these shows. That's what this is all about, providing the best service. So we've made a dramatic change today with many, many more members, policies and securities on the show. So we are just 1 minute away. We're standby for the PPI. We're keeping our eye on all the news. If inflation comes in lower, the forecast is 3.1, previous 3.3, consensus is 3.2. What do we want? Obviously, well, if we get the same as last time, that's not very good. We don't want 3.3. We want 3.1, maybe 3.2. We'd love 3 or below. This would be great. The markets have simply gone up to dump on the news, so be very careful chasing it. We want to be buying on the way down. I love it. Great job, Martyn. Yes, thank you, Stacey. And thank you to all of my moderators who worked overtime last night. And very, very unpleasant evening indeed. And it continued late into the evening as well. Thousands of emails and attacks on all of my accounts. It was very, very unpleasant what happened last night after that attack on the live show. Let me tell you this, it just got a lot worse. Attacks on all of my accounts are very unpleasant. So we're just done with it. We're just going to focus on members. It may cost me. It may mean I earn less money and less growth, but I want the best quality service, and we're not allowing people to come in and ruin what we're trying to build here. All right, here we go. Stand by. CPI.
Listen to full episodes of Meet the Press wherever you get your podcast.
Just keep away from the copyright music.
CNBC is a blast.
Any moment now. Markets are rallying like crazy, but don't buy it. Inflation rate 0.2. Oh my God, it's down. Exactly as I thought. Yes, I said inflation was coming down, and I said that we would get rate cuts. There you go, market. This could be my $60,000 day. Oh my God. There you go. Look at that. Core inflation is 3.1. This is why I wanted to buy. I just didn't have the money to buy. Too late now. It's not going to go up now. There will be profit taking, but this is very good.
Yes, boy, this is a biggie. This is our February read. Consumer Price Index.
Huge.
Expected up 0.3. Comes in a tenth light, up 0.2%.
Yep,
and
that's
in the
it.
rearview mirror, at least now, not revised. And up 0.5%, by the way, was a 2-year high we're reversing from. Up
What
0.2
a day
equals where we
today
were
is.
in October. To find a lower number, you're back to July of last year. Strip out the important food and energy, it remains up 0.2 on core. That's following up 0.4, which was the highest level since Feb of 23. 0.2, what we equaled decent of last year. Find a lower number, you're in June of last year. Year over year, headline number, 2.9 expected, 2.8 is what we get. Last look was 3%. 2.8 to find a lower number. You're in November of last year when it was 2.7. And do remember that cycle at the end of last year, we actually saw 2.4 on the September read.
Rate cuts
just
are
to
on
put
the
a
way.
face on the fact that we have been lower. And if you look at X food and energy or core year over year, 3.1. 3.2 was what we were expecting. 3.3 in the rearview mirror. 3.3 in the rearview mirror was the highest since May of last year. 3.1, to find a smaller number, you have to really go into the Wayback Machine. You're going to April of 21 when it was 3%. Now, I know many don't look at the following, but if you look at the actual index of CPI, that goes back to 1913. Right now we have 319.082. That's another all-time high going back to 1913. If you look at core, that was started in 1957. It comes in at 325.47, and guess what? Another new all-time forever high. Go use that inflation tool on the Bureau of Labor Statistics and the website, and what you'll find is inflation's running over 20% on a compounded basis going back to pre-COVID. Interest rates initially moved lower as they looked at the month-over-month numbers. You know that parlor game, you analyze these numbers, but in the end, they're still sticky. And just to point out something, our last look, still unrevised, these inflation numbers were hot last time, unlike today where they're a bit cooler. And what happened? We settled on February 12th, the last time January CPI was out, at 463 in a 10-year. It was the high water mark. Hot inflation, all we've done since is go lower. And the reason I point that out is there's a lot of moving parts pushing yields around these days. Andrew, back to you.
Okay,
Fantastic. What a great day. There is the inflation report. Exactly as I predicted. Again, we got the fear-mongering all over the place. People telling you the world was going to collapse. It was painful seeing it go down, but I said, and I acted with my own money. You know, I bought every single penny of my cash. Look at it. My buying power is nothing. That's remained. That bit of buying power is what's left of my margin. I am all in on cash, all in on margin. I've been buying the dips. I wish I could have bought more, but I couldn't buy more. I couldn't be more bullish, but it was painful to watch it. This could be, I don't think it will be, but it could be a $60,000 day. That could be my upswing today on my portfolio. This is great news. Inflation is coming down exactly as expected. We could get now a rate cut in March, which is next week. You don't want to miss that. I'll give you all the links to that as well. This is very, very exciting. Fantastic. Can you believe it? Well, yeah, you can believe it. This is what I invested in. I bought the dip. I just wish I could have bought even more. I did everything I could. I even sold my solid gold credit card from Robinhood to buy more. Bought every single share I could, in addition to what I already have. This is a great, great day. Now then, what do? Don't chase it. It's great that it's up today, but what you should have done is bought on the way down, not on the way up. Please don't buy it now, because Wall Street could dump this on the bell to do it all over again. This is what happens. Be careful. You already bought the dip. Do not chase it. If you get an opportunity to buy the dip now, you've now got an insurance policy. You've got a protection, knowing that inflation has come down, knowing that rate cuts are more likely. It's a good day. It's a great day. But remember, we're not counting the tariffs yet. The tariffs are short-term inflationary. There's no data on that yet. That will come next report. Okay, so just remember, we haven't got that yet. But if the tariffs go away, then inflation goes away on the potential tariff issues as well. So what you do now is what all investors always do. You buy on the red days, you bought on the way down, and today you've got rewarded. That's what it's all about. Those that shorted the market have lost their money today. Hooray! I have no problem with that. So there you go. This is a very, very good day for investors. Don't chase it. Let it go. When it pulls back again, if it does, maybe it will, maybe it won't. It's massively oversold. Maybe this was the bottom. I said it was the bottom. Maybe it was. I don't know. But I said to you, a rally on Friday. How many videos have I put out saying a rally on Friday? Put my name in the sand. I've not deleted it. I've not edited it. I've left it there. Rally on Friday. But it comes down to PPI tomorrow. PPI is even more important than CPI. Of course, we'll cover it live. And then we'll cover the Michigan report on Friday. Equally volatile because it's very political. So it's not all over yet. But as investors, you bought on the dip. You're being rewarded. Don't chase it. You'll be fine. This is great. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. And over here and over here, I'll put more information and more things I think you'll enjoy. Exactly as predicted for investors. I've been saying for the longest time, it's painful, but investors dig the ditches when everybody else cries in the sink and buggers off, basically. They're not watching the show. They're not investing. They're all, oh, my God, we only like the green days. You watch how busy it will be today on a green day. Over here, over here, over here, over here. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. I better show there first. Okay, let me do this. Core inflation. Could inflation be down? What have I been saying? I've been saying a rally on Friday, but it comes down to CPI and PPI. What have I been doing? I've been buying the dip all the way down. I'm bullish, but it is scary. My prediction was inflation is coming down, and my prediction was that we'll get more rate cuts this year. Fantastic. Shall we now go over to the report on inflation? Here we go. Okay. And then that will go into there. Marvelous. Right. Let me come to our comments. Okay. Now, if you've just tuned in, you will notice we're making more and more changes to our show. Because of the trolls, the bots, the scammers, the, quite frankly, annoying people, last night it got a lot worse after my show. I was getting lots of attacks on my accounts and emails. It was absolutely a nightmare. So even though I may earn less, and even though I may have less subscribers, it doesn't matter. Of course, I'd like to grow faster, and of course, I'd like to earn more money. I mean, that is my right after all. This is my show. But I made this show all about providing a service to the members. So we are most importantly want to provide a healthy, fun, useful, educational, entertaining experience for everyone. So we're going more and more members only. If you want to comment, if you want to chat, many of our streams now, more than half of our streams are members only, because that way we can filter out all of the idiots, and we can really improve the quality of our show. So you may notice that today we are members again on such a big occasion. I also have an event coming out today. We have just won the Oscars of YouTube. This channel has just won the Oscars of YouTube. You're not going to believe it. I got notified this morning something that is incredible for our channel. You are absolutely going to love this. So in about an hour and a half, I'm going to do a special live stream, and I'm going to be suited and booted going to the Oscars. This channel has just got an award, and I am extremely excited about it. Let me come to these comments. Good morning, good evening, Lucas Aids. I think we should have walk and talk for subscribers or members only. It'll be members only, Stacey. It'll be 100% members only. It's about quality of service, not about getting thousands of idiots. Well, in fact, it's not even thousands. It's one or two, and we know who they are. I know who they are. You know who they are. the bot troll situation was rough. It wasn't bots, it was real. But fun. It wasn't fun for me because after the show, I was getting attacks on all of my accounts and massive amounts of infrastructure and procedures and security has been put in place and legal action will be taken. I'm not messing around, Stacey, at all. I'm building a channel here. I'm building something really special. And anyone who thinks it's funny to play games with me and games with the channel, you're going to pay a price. I'm not going to stand for it. Every action has been taken and we're going to step it up and legal action will be taken as well. MSK was shot in the crossfire. Yes, he was. Yeah, but this isn't funny. After the show, Stacey, it got very, very serious, and they went after all sorts of accounts. Good morning, beautiful souls. How are we? Good morning. Yeah, mine moved slow in the winter too. Martin, that was great walk and talk yesterday. Keep it up. Thank you so much indeed. Really loved it. Shots fired. I moved slower in the winter. Mike. Hello, Wadey, how you doing? What's up? How's the snake doing? Mike is back to work. Ha, hilarious. Hi, Mike. How's Lisa? He probably working on a... hang on a minute. Where did that come from? Hang on a minute. Let me just go back and check something. Where did that come from? Let me just see if I've got rid of that. Yes, got rid of that. Good morning, afternoon. Good morning, Wadey. Hello, how you doing? Good morning, Dallin Wilson. Frederick, good morning to you. I love it. Great job, Martin. Absolutely. But you have to remember, though, you know, Stacey, I know everybody wants it to be members only because it's just nicer, but it costs me money. It's a serious sacrifice to make, but I've made it. Good morning, everyone. Let's have a great day. Green, green, green. Hopefully we can get a green, nice day. Shots were fired. You guys were quick. What happened to your accounts? I'm not going to disclose any further details, Dylan. I don't want anyone to try to circumvent my new policies, but it wasn't good at all. Wow, 4%, said Dylan Wilson. Yeah, but you got to remember, my portfolio is going to more than double because of margin. All right, USA, Zach's 8. It's the pump up the market day. I knew it. I'm glad I bought the dip a few days back. Woohoo, a good day. Cut is coming. Yes, it is, and I can't wait. It'd be great for my margin, of course. Yay. Now, will it pump stay stable until the tariffs come back in play? Yes, like I say, see, it's already dropping. Like I said, don't chase it. Do not chase it. I said this. Do not chase this. The time to buy was when it was down. It might come again. CPI, 5 minutes. Okay. Good morning to you, Teresa Oldman. Welcome to you, another one of our ladies. How are you? Steve Wally. Good morning. Are you happy, Martin? Am I happy? Extremely happy. Extremely happy. Good afternoon. Leah wins the leading lady role. Martin, still hungover from Monday, thanks. You are. Oh my gosh. No, I meant fun like walk and talk was fun. Aside from the trolls, it wasn't meant to say the trolls. No, I understand. I totally understand, Stacey. Congratulations on the water, Martin. If anyone else deserves it, you definitely do. It's more of a ranking than an award, actually, but it's a really big deal. You're not going to believe it when I show you later on. Morning, Martin, and all other hackers, former members. I can't share that information, Steve Wally. I don't want anyone to circumvent any of my new policies. Okay. But yeah, it's not going to fly anymore. Right, now then, we've got 45 minutes before the bell goes. Stand by. I'm going to set up an event. So when will I do this? Let me see. It's 7:45. We want to catch the bell. So I'm going to say, right, 9:30. Right, 9:30. Okay, create, go live. This is really, really great. You're really going to be chuffed. This is because of you, guys. This is really because of you. Nothing to do with me. Schedule a stream, create new. Okay. We won the... You're going to love this. All right. So all I'm going to put is that. Love being part... Oh, look at this.
Get donated $4.99 through a super chat. Love being a part of this channel.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Whoops. Allow Google. What was that? To find devices on local networks. What happened there? Okay. Thank you very much, Jed. That's very much appreciated. Thank you for your super chat. I'm just setting up this event. I'm just setting up an event here. For after we do this show. Oscar, I need images. It's a really cool thing, this. Tools, more, tools, size, large. Just setting this up. We've got time before the bell goes. Okay, that'll do. I need to create a thumbnail. Let me just bring this up as well. This is really, really cool. I wanted to announce this all to you today because you deserve this. You did it more than me. There we go. Right, let me just create a thumbnail for it. Like I said, you see it sort of giving up now. Don't chase it. Wait for the bell. If you've already missed it, you've already missed it. So just let it go. Great day though for an investor. This could be a $60,000 day. It could be. I don't know if it will. I don't know if it was a big enough news story, but it could. It could happen. We won. Just creating a thumbnail for our event coming up in a minute. Just found this out this morning, and I cannot tell you what this means to me. One. It's all down to your engagement. All right. Nearly done. It's great that I can actually create a thumbnail while I'm live. Let's go off YouTube, right? Bring that up there. Nearly done. Just create. If you just tuned in, we've just covered the inflation report. And we're just doing, just designing a thumbnail for an event that we're about to host in a few minutes' time. Whoops. So the only way I can do it is in a live show like this. There you go. Whoops. It's kind of funny because I know you're watching me and you're thinking, well, what's happening? You can't see, but I'm designing a thumbnail as you watch. That's what I'm doing. Right. Whoops-a-daisy. There you go. Drop that behind there. There we go. That's quite nice, actually. I quite like that. All right, I quite like it. Let me just move it around a little bit. Do I want that? No. Don't do that. That works. Let's make that a little bit less. So if you just tuned in, we just covered the inflation report, and we're getting ready for a special event in just a few minutes' time. Okay, I like that. There you go. Okay, stretch that out there. I'll be right back with you in just a few seconds. This is something I've been working on for ages. Essentially, that's what's happened today. Right. Let's put a shadow around there. Drop shadow. And it's quite good, this. I'm getting better at my what do you call it? Editing on Photoshop. I never use any AI. I'd hate it. I like to just create myself, and if I can't create it, that's fine. I can only do what I can do, and I'm okay with that. All right, good. Done. Flatten. Save as. We won Oscars. Okay. 9. Right, done it. Come back to you now. Close that down. Close that down. And put in a thumbnail there. And when this show finishes, after we've covered the closing opening bell, I shall send everyone to this event. If you'd like to join me for what this is all about. No. That's it. What did I say? 9:30? Harper's 9. Next, public. Yeah. March 12th. Yes. 9:30. Yes. Okie dokie. Let's come back to the stock. We're up 3%. It could be a 60 grand day. That's what my portfolio could do. Could be up 60 grand in one day. I don't think the news was quite good enough, but it could be. It has the potential to be a 60 grand day. So let's see what happens. Anyway, we've got 25 minutes before the bell goes. We're very excited. I'm going to cover all the news as it comes out. I've just been setting up an event for you that will go live at the end of this. Very exciting morning. Cheers to everybody. I hope you all bought the dip. I only wish I could have bought more. But seriously, could I have been more bullish? I mean, I really couldn't. I couldn't buy any more, really, could I? So you couldn't be more bullish than I was. To be fair. Anyway. Let me just finish this one little thing. That's when it goes live. Yes, yes, yes. Live chat. Members only. Yeah. Okay, great. Right, let me now set this event. I'll show you the event, what I've just done, so you can see where we're going to go after the opening bell and the first hour of trading. We'll cover all of that first. All right. Wow, look at it go now. This could be a very exciting day. Don't chase it though, folks. It's too late now to chase it. I mean, unless you really don't mind being down, if it goes up and then it pulls back and you don't mind. I mean, it's still very low. I would still be buying now. I wouldn't have bought now because I never buy on a pump. I would have bought this morning. I would have bought last night before this event, but it's a risky game to play only because everything is still oversold. You still can, but trouble is now people could pump this and then dump it straight away. So you have to be careful of that. And I don't want any of my members to lose money just because you got FOMO'd in. And I mean, that's what you're supposed to do. The market wants you to get FOMO'd in, and I don't want anyone to get FOMO'd in. All right. So please don't FOMO in. Right, I've put the link there. It's ready to go. Let me give you on the screen where we're going to go after this event. Here it is. We've just won the Oscars of YouTube. It's a very exciting moment indeed. Okay. This is the event. Let me put the link in the chat. Okay, here it is. Live Oscars after this. Okay. There's the event. I'll pin it to the top. There you go. I'll give you a couple of times if you want to be the first person to be there to see what I'm talking about. There you go. Green or red day, 238 votes, 70%. Well done to all of you. Congratulations. All my members knew what was coming. Congratulations to all of you. Here is the event that goes live in 91 minutes. Even Leah doesn't even know what this is about yet. I've not had a chance to tell her, and she will be absolutely thrilled to bits to hear about this. There you go. We won Oscars of YouTube. Today, I'm very, very excited. This is a beginning of something very, very special. And I cannot tell you what this means to me, how hard I've worked for this. Some of you won't appreciate what it is, I'm sure, but hopefully you will when I've explained it. But there you go. There it is. That's the event that goes live after this. But we're focusing on now the event. You can click on there now if you want to be the first person to leave a comment and get your front row seat. It's a members only event. Let me read all your comments. Let me also go over to CNBC, if we've got anything coming in.
We saw this morning, that CPI number that was much tamer than had been anticipated. You now see the Dow
It wasn't
futures
more
up
tame
by
than anticipated. I said it was going to happen.
NASDAQ up by 321, the S&P up by 66. Treasuries, again, the yields had been a little higher. Now you're looking at 432. So we picked up a few basis points there, too.
Up or down from here?
For yields?
No.
Or
equity.
for equity.
Andrew?
I'm not even making a guess for 9:30.
I'm going up.
For 4 o'clock.
I'm going up because I'm Pollyanna. Up from here.
Save the tape.
Somebody wrote in, same blood type. Be positive, right?
Be positive.
NASDAQ again up by 325. We'll see what happens. Tomorrow we get producer prices, so it's going to be another big data point coming up at 8:30. Right now it's time for Squawk on the Street.
Good Wednesday morning. Welcome to Squawk on the Street. I'm Carl Quintanilla with Jim Cramer at Post 9 of the New York Stock Exchange. David Faber's on assignment. Stocks do look to get back some of Tuesday's losses as February CPI.
I'm just avoiding all the copyrighted music. That's why I come in and out like this. And
the EU, though, retaliating with some tariffs.
let me bring some news for you. CPI slows more than expected in February. The consumer price index rose less than expected in February at 0.2. This was not a surprise. All investors knew this. The markets knew this. It's why they pumped it up this morning to dump it or be ready. This is no big surprise to anyone. What we've witnessed the last couple of weeks has been chaos, drama, senselessness. It's been horrible because when you are all in and you are all in with margin and you are buying the dip, you don't want to keep seeing it go down and down and down and down and down. Of course, you can buy the dips, and I did, and I bought the dips. I only wish I could have bought more. But we all say that, right? But at least I did everything I could. According to data released by the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, that brings the year-over-year increase to 2.8 compared with 3%. It's a huge drop, folks. This is nothing to be sniffed at. Let me bring it clearly so you can actually see what I'm reading. This is a huge day, but it's not a surprise to anyone. It shouldn't be. Never be surprised with the markets, all right? Be disappointed in humans manipulating stuff, but don't be surprised with numbers. Numbers are just numbers. The data was there. Core CPI, which excludes food and energy, also increased 0.2 month over month, less than the 0.3. Consensus was down 0.4 in January. That translates to a 3.1 year-on-year increase, down from 3.3 in the prior month and better than the 3.2 consensus. Core CPI, which excludes food and energy, also increased 0.2. Now, remember when we talk about prices increasing, that's okay. Prices will always increase. We expect prices to increase. There's nothing wrong with prices increasing, but they are, because inflation is always a real thing, but they increase at a lower rate to bring us back in line with the Fed's target of 2% per year. That's what we want, and we're moving towards that now. So a rate cut is very likely, extremely likely for June, like 100%, right? But March, in next week, we expect. In fact, I've just realised something. I'm gonna just set that up right now. I'm gonna need to put that on the calendar right now for you guys. We can't wait for that. We cannot wait for that. So let me do that now. Go live. This is. Let me just check the date again. It's next Wednesday, isn't it? I need to make sure that this is all ready to go. We need to be focusing on this now. It's the number one thing. 19th of March. Yes. Yes. 12:30. Yep. Okay. So let me do that now. Fed rate decision. We need to do that now. I'm going to do that right now. There we go. So you have this event. This is going to be our big event of the year. I'm always saying that, aren't I? Until the next big event. Create new. Here we go. So I'll just do it quickly, just so we've got some as a marker show. All right. The Fed FOMC report live. FOMC report live. Inflation data. We'll put rate cut. Whoops. Rate cut. All right. FOMC report. There you go. That'll do for me. Just to get that in. Just to get something in on the calendar. There you go. Rate cut. I'll just put this in for next Wednesday. And then all week we can be looking forward to this and working towards it. We want to be ahead of the game. So let me add FOMC. FOMC. The lovely power of search, eh? FOMC. Crash. No. It's not a crash day. It is. I'm going to call it that one there. That'll do for me. All right. We want live show FOMC. There you go. And this is going to be on Wednesday. I don't need to worry about any of those things just yet. Show more. No. Okay. And we'll add live chat. Yeah. And this will be on March the 19th at 12:30 Central Time. So mark your calendars. There you go, March 19th. That's set. Right, I'll give you the link for that in a second. You can all join us for that. That'll be a huge event. Let me go over to Jim in a minute. So what you're saying?
Begin to deliver up.
Europe's crushing it. Well, you know, if you're going to do the bazooka like Germany did, where they're finally using deficit spending. But you know what? I keep coming back to Spain, which is not, remember, Spain's a hard economy. But when you have the largest bank in Europe being Banco Santander, what does that say? And what it says is that if you're disciplined and you lend well, you win over there. And now I'm looking at a guy like Charlie Sharp. Now, he must
I'm
be
going to
saying,
put the FOMC report on the screen.
Why can't I put up Santander's number?
Just so this is the event we'll be covering. Here we go. This is the event. FOMC live. You might want to bookmark this one. FOMC event live. And there it is. This is what it looks like at the moment. I might adjust the event, but there it is. There's the FOMC report. We're going to cover it live from Jerome Powell. This could be a rate cut, could be another explosion on the market. We shall see. We'll have lots of polls for this to see if there will be a rate cut now. And I'd like to see what your views are. So I'll tell you what we'll do. I'm going to get really ahead of the game here. I'm going to put here, after today's event, look, if we go over to the community pages, we can start a poll, and this will trend on Google, and we'll see what everyone's going to say about this. All right, see if we're going to get a rate cut. This will be interesting because this will rank on Google. So FOMC report live, inflation data, rate cut. Will we see a cut? I'll put a poll there. All right. Live now. Whoops. Now on YouTube. Bloody hell. Join the investors. Join the investors. Let me find that. Up there. Let's put that in there. And we'll have a poll on it now. Are we going to get a rate cut now? FOMC, the Fed, rates. Martyn Lucas, investor. So we'll put that there. We'll put that there. We'll put an image. We'll put an image poll. So we'll go. What should we go? We'll go hike, pause, cut 0.25%. Whoops. So we're either going to get a hike, we're going to get a pause, get a cut of 0.25, or a cut of 0.5. There you go. It's possible. It's been mentioned. Right. So a hike, a pause, a cut, or a cut of 0.25 or a cut of 0.5. I'm going to put what I think is the appropriate image, and you can vote on this. So a hike will certainly be bad. We don't want that. A pause, yes or no. A cut, 0.25. I would say that's the money shot. And then the 0.5 would be good luck. Yeah, you'd need luck if that happened. There you go. So there's our poll. All right, there it is. You can start voting on that now. So are we going to get a hike? Are we going to get a pause? Are we going to get a 0.25 cut or a 0.5 cut? Now, if we get a hike, that's bad. If we get a pause, yes or no, I don't know what that means. Just systems as normal. If we get a 0.25, oh yeah, that's in the money. If we get a 0.5, good luck, because now it's a reactionary and we don't want that. So if you want to go and vote on that, that'd be cool. I'll drop that on X as well. There you go. I'll drop that on X. Will we see a rate cut? So I'm going to put hike. This is on X. Pause. Cut 0.25% or cut of 0.5%. And we'll have it for 7 days because it's next week. There you go. You can go and vote. If you want the link to my X, there's my X and Instagram. You can vote on that one there. So let me put that in there as well. And I'll use the FOMC. And I'll use that image there. All righty. Okay. There you go. That'll do. There you go. Okay, I'll be interested to see what you say. We've got some notifications already. What are you saying? Mark Saxby likes the post. Mike's reposted. Oh, that was quick. Mike, we got a new follow here. Thank you very much indeed. That's Parkmore30. Welcome to you. All right, lovely stuff. Let's come back to the main positions. We've got 15 minutes to go before the bell goes. Let's see the community pages. Let's have a refresh. What do you think we're going to get? Shall we have a look? No votes at the moment. Shall I give everyone the link? I'll give everyone the link and then I'll wait. Please vote. Please vote. There's the community pages. All right. You can go and vote there. I'll give you a minute to vote and then I'll reveal the preliminary decisions. Be interesting now, won't it? 15 minutes before the bell goes. Did the CPI print come out? Yes, Jay Ballin, we've just covered it, and it was great. There'll be a video explaining later on, or you can rewind back this video, this live stream. Jay Ballin, it was a great result, yes. Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon. Frederick, good morning to Good morning, Frederick. How are you this morning? Chish, you seem down today. Chish, do I seem down today? It was a very difficult evening last night after the troll attack. Took a lot more drama last night, but that's why we're now members only for everything now. We are focusing on building the best community, the best, friendliest, helpful, useful, educational, supportive community. If it comes at a cost where I have to have less subscribers and earn less money, so be it. But we're members only for everything now. I mean, it's just, I'm not having it anymore. And last night, all attacks went on all of my social media accounts, and it was an absolute nightmare. Very, very stressful evening indeed. But it was as if it was supposed to be, because we've improved the system. And this morning, I woke up to an amazing surprise. Leah doesn't even know about this yet. And for those of you who don't know, after today's live stream, I'm going to be showing you this. I'm going to be going live, members only event. We just won the Oscars of YouTube. What does this really mean? I'll explain to you live in a minute. It's amazing. I cannot believe after everything that happened last night, I woke up to this. So it's just been the greatest. It's tough growing, doing what you're trying to do sometimes. But there you go. I don't see people talk much about Flare. I don't know anything about it. But XRP nearly 6 days ago. TJ Snyder. Oh, should we have a look at XRP for you? I'm sure everyone's excited about that. XRP. Up 4%. Would you like an XRP pump show today? We could have some fun today, shall we? I tell you what, if you want an XRP pump show today for the XRP army, we'll do a 20-minute XRP pump show, because it's a big day today for the markets. And if you'd like me to get behind XRP and pump it up today, every time we go live and do a pump show, it always works. So if you'd like a XRP pump show for about 20 minutes after my Oscars announcement, then just put XRP in the chat, and you're allowed to copy and paste. You're allowed to copy and paste and spam me for 5 minutes. If you want to spam me for 5 minutes, please feel free. All right, morning guys. Such a shame we had to deal with morons. Kaczynski, yes it is. You must be doing something right if you're being attacked by morons. I'd rather not though. I am ready to whack any trolls. You won't have to, James. Now we're going members only on everything. So there you go. Might be nice and easy for you. Savage, hey, Mike, Jay, no one going XRP. Oh, hang on. Okay, XRP pump. James going, all right. One person wants it so far. We got 14 minutes to go. If we get the chat full of XRP, if you want to become a member and have your say, there it is. There's the link to become a member. If you want to follow me on Instagram, if you want Discord, we are in the process of recording a string of members-only videos for our members of Discord. You can become premium straight away for $2, access everything and get priority, or you can be a YouTube member, and after you get a blue badge, a 1-month badge, we can upgrade you. But you don't have the priority service like you do, of course. No pump video, says a no pump video, says Savage Faith Creation. No, she doesn't want it. No pump video. So it's 50-50 now. Kembley saying yes, XRP pump. Every time I do a pump video, it goes up. So let's have a look. Are we going to do an XRP pump video live, a 20-minute live stream? After the Oscars, after the opening bell, after the Oscars, so it'll be about 10 o'clock in about an hour and 45 minutes. J Long, little fellas, XRP pump, Dave Hensley. Okay, slightly more XRP, not that many. No pump video, says Stacey. Congratulations, Martin Joseph Kelly. Thank you very much indeed. XRP pump, little fellas. You want the little fellas? All right, let's have the little fellas. Let's bring in the little fellas. Here we go. Where is it? Why do I always lose this button? It should be clear to see, but sometimes it just ain't. And I'm looking right at it. There it is. Damn it. There you go. Here's the little fellas. XRP pump. Yeah, a few more people. It's not yet. We don't have enough yet. XRP to 1,000%. Thanks. All right. There you go. There's the little fellas. We love it, don't we? We love it. We love it. We love it. All right. Okay. Good stuff. 10 minutes to go. Yay. We've got here. Yay. Yes, I'm scared to look. Kaczynski, let's come back to our main portfolio. Could be a 60 grand day. It's totally possible if we get everything in place. XRP pump, Mobix pump. That wasn't the option. That wasn't the option. It was XRP pump. Hey, I was wondering when you're running my review. I just want to know. Tonight I'm at work. I was wondering when you're running. Frederick, which is your review? Which was your review? Remind me. Oh, didn't you do the next one? Which was... Is it Resolve? Or... Yes, Resolve. JP Morgan. I got JP Morgan. That went in $20. It jumped up. Resolve. Was that yours, Frederick? Was that yours? If that's yours, that'll be done today as well. I'm doing 2 today. There you go. Another 2 reviews today. I love the little fellas. What the hell? Pump it. Then all the uneducated people will buy it and will dump it again. And I can buy more. Go ahead, pump it. Yeah, because I control the price of XRP, as you all know. XRP, Resolve. That was it. Yes, Resolve. Yes. That's it. Yes, yours is second. It was my next review, and then last night during the Veil broadcast. And the Google was this morning. Did everyone see Google this morning? In fact, let me end this. End poll. I think we all know if it's... In fact, I need to leave green or red day there. Did everybody see the Google review this morning? XRP. Okay, come on. 1 more minute. Copy and paste. If you want me to do an XRP pump event, put XRP in the chat. And you can copy and paste. I want to see yes or no. All right. So far, I think XRP is winning just, but not much. I've got to be honest. It's only just a little bit. Little. It's obvious when you're members only mode. It's not quite as much. When you're public mode, it gets all a bit crazy, and you get all kinds of extra crazy stuff going. Just do it like Nike or Arnold. Just do it. Just do it. Oh, let me have a look then. Have I got a ready-made? Have I got a ready-made one for this? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. XRP live pump event. I do. Yeah, I do. I do. Look at that. Okay, what does that say? XRP and Bitcoin. Let's have a look. 3 playlists, live shows, XRP. So what did I say? That was ARPUS 9. So this will need to be at 10 o'clock then, won't it? Show more. Show more. No. Yes. On. Yeah. Okay. Redirect. Next. Public. 10 o'clock. Okay. There's the XRP pump event. I'm loving it. All right. We'll have some fun. There you go. There's the XRP pump event. Already scheduled in. So it's going to be a fun-packed day today. We got loads going on. How many people watch my Google analysis? 371. Not too bad. FOMC report. I've already got people there. Chris Bottick is waiting for the... we won the Oscars. Excellent stuff. Right. So let me make sure that this show, customization, goes directly to... Yeah, it does. Right, we got 7 minutes to go before the bell goes. XRP, yes. Okay, it's done. Your wish is my command. We might as well have some fun with it and see what happens, right? Okay, here is the pump event for XRP. All right, this is going to be our little event today after the Oscars event. Let me give you the link here. XRP. There you go. You can join me, click share, put it out. Every time we do an XRP pump event live, it does go up. Let's see what happens today. Could be some fun, right? Okay, there you go. Right, we've got just a few minutes to go. 5 minutes to go before the bell goes. Yes, you win. You got your wish. Josh Monroe, yes. Excellent stuff. I'm loving it. Right, if you want to become a member of our channel and get verified and be an investor of our channel, please do join us. You get many, many perks back. 20 times what you put in. That's what my members say. Members-only videos, members-only live streams. I reply to all your comments. I make your video requests. I cover earnings for you, the ones that you want. I do stock reviews, the ones that you want. I engage with you on X and Instagram. And there are discounts in the shop. You get free training. We don't charge you for it. The price is only a couple of bucks, never goes up, no inflation. You can talk to Sensei, Ed Nevius, learn about scalp trading on our Discord, talk to all our community. Loads of great stuff that you get as a member. Sensei will do charts for you on a Sunday, if you remember. All kinds of good stuff. Right, let me check the news coming in. CPI was good today. Let's go back to the breaking news. Let's have a look. Investors steadfast in buying Nvidia, Tesla market dips during tumultuous trade. Investors appeared committed to driving into dips for Nvidia and Tesla. So that's good. Let me have a quick look at Tesla this morning. Yes, that's up very nice today. Look at Tesla. Look at that. Tesla's up today, 6%. Look at that. Well done. If you bought these dips, congratulations to you. Investors steadfast. What else have I got? Palantir teases upcoming March 13th announcement on X. Tomorrow, Palantir posted a 15-second teaser on X today, which points to some significant announcement on Thursday, March the 13th. Okay. I bet. How long have I got? The time is 8:26. PLTR. Let me quickly get this. And have I got time? I've got time. This could be a big event for tomorrow. Look at this. All right. Let me just come over to here. Here. This is really what Alex Karp does. He does very well. You could say it's wrong. Alex Karp, CEO of Palantir, is at it again. I got some breaking news for you, and we're going to cover it live. Alex is very good at the Palantirian army, getting everyone fired up. We saw the stock price decimate recently after a huge 700 times earnings. He's at it again. This is going to be live. We're going to cover this live tomorrow, as in March the 13th. Palantir teases upcoming March 13th announcement on X. Palantir posted a 15-second teaser on X today, which points to some type of significant announcement on Thursday. This is very, very unusual way to be a CEO of a company. He's like Elon Musk on steroids when it comes to using social media to pump his stock. Some would argue he should be in prison for the way he manipulates stock 700 times early. He really knows how to appeal to people, or at least he knows how to appeal to retail investors to get carried away. Palantir shares edged up 4% by noon trading. Today, everything's up, of course, because of the CPI. No surprise there. But tomorrow, watch out for PPI. Exactly as predicted. The teaser starts with a series of symbols around the number 6. The symbols include the Palantir logo, a 4-pointed star, its AIP logo, and an hourglass. Oh my God, this sounds like Roaring Kitty all over again, but with much more power. Oh my God, what's going to happen tomorrow? Well, you can't miss it. You're going to have to tune in tomorrow. We're going to watch this tomorrow. We're going to cover this as a live event. Palantir, this could be an explosive event tomorrow. I've never seen anything like this from a CEO of a publicly traded company using memes and images to try to excite his investors. You will never see this on any other stock. He's like Elon Musk, but on steroids. Join us tomorrow. It's going to be a major event. Click above my head. It's already getting exciting. Down below in the description, we'll cover it live. We'll see what happens live. We'll trade it live. We'll be aware of it, and we'll bring you all the live debate, and everybody will be calling in and getting very fired up. Over here, I'll put the live event. Down here, I'll put the Palantir playlist. One you cannot afford to miss. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, flipping it. What's that all about? All right, I need to duplicate that, so I've got that on file. Okay, wow. Right, let me come back to there. Let me come back to the news. How long have we got? We've got 1 minute before the bell goes. Trending news, Palantir. Let's go back to the main stocks. We're covering an XRP pump today. Tesla is firing off like crazy. Let me get ready for my opening bell show. Let me get everything. Oops, we've got to refresh the screen. Odie. Come on. Why does this happen? I've no idea why. We've got 30 seconds. Don't worry. 30 seconds. I'm there. Here we go. Come on.
These things, and he's coming in hot.
All right.
Any
here we
reason
go.
to think
10
we're
seconds.
In a different time
Tesla is exploding this morning.
Because of how Musk's
and here we go. In 5, 4, 3,
stance has
2,
changed.
1.
I've got a long time in history here. I'm willing to go with the history. And by the way,
The bell has gone. Let's go for all our positions. Be careful. Don't chase it. You should already be in. Very exciting day. Where are we going to go?
The second most GPUs, NVIDIA GPUs.
Here we go. Let's ring the bell. I've rung the bell. Let Wall Street catch up. There you go. Here we go. And let's go for all our positions. If you've just tuned in, tap the like button. Consider subscribing, become a member, and you can ask questions, be part of the family, and get all the extra perk as a member. Get all the free training, talk to all our investors 24/7. Talk to me, I'll answer all your questions on YouTube and social media. All right, many perks for our members. Let's go through all our positions. So we've got the overall market up today. As you can see, 2.73. The S&P is up 1.04. I'm up nearly 3 times that. See that, look? I'm up 2.6 when the market is up 1. So I'm 2.5 times because of my margin position. Virgin Galactic up 1.32. Palantir exploding today, up 7% due to the announcement on tomorrow. We're going to cover it live. You cannot afford to miss that. Gold is going down. Amazon is up today, 2%. Apple down at the moment. Next Year Energy taking a bit of a dive. Enphase Energy up but pulling back. My overall portfolio is going up quicker and quicker. It could be, if all goes well, a $60,000 day. I don't see it was quite good enough for that, but that's what my prediction was if we get everything in place. And we've got part of it, but not everything. Enphase Energy. Coca-Cola on the way down. This is the piggy bank. People take money out of Coca-Cola and J&J, there you go, to buy the tech back. It's a rotation back in again. Chevron oil down. Tesla firing up today, up 6%. McDonald's down today. Google up. We did an earnings on it yesterday. Told you that this was great and a great time to buy it. And our video is doing all right. It's not trending that much, but people are buying it. Microsoft up today. Nvidia up 5%. Very nice. This is a rotation back into tech. Wonderful. Walmart up. Tilray up. This could be a big rally today. Tilray brands up today, but not worth anything really. Robinhood, well, 7%. Is there any surprise? No, none whatsoever. Of course not. My overall portfolio is up 3.3%. Look at that. $3,000 so far today. This is just the beginning. Don't chase it though. IonQ, too expensive now. Insanely expensive. Don't buy that. Rocket Lab, that's good, but that's also too expensive. Plug Power, getting a bit of a rally on that. I don't know what that's going to do now. Bitcoin up 2%. XRP, we're doing an XRP rally in a few minutes, 3.21. There you go, XRP is up. And Vail, we reported on Vail yesterday, and it's down 1.76. What a day, what a day, what a day. There you go. Let me bring in all the comments on the screen. XRP, you want an XRP rally? That's what I've been missing in my life. The link to what? The link to what? It's a Discord $3.99 membership, the same as being a regular member. Is a Discord $3.99 membership the same as being a regular member? No, it's not. If you are the key, let me see what you are. Right, the key. First of all, you only have a green badge. You can't access Discord until you get a blue badge. So you've got to renew your membership on Discord and on YouTube and remain a member to keep your Discord membership. So no, it's different on that extent. Also, you get extra services and you get priority as well because you are supporting the network, supporting the server. So as a Discord server member, a subscriber, you are priority, plus you get more content, plus you get it straight away, and you don't have to be a YouTube member. All right, so that's how that works. All righty. Okay, so hopefully that hopefully that explains your. Hopefully, oops. Let me turn that up. Hopefully that explains your question. If you do join Discord as a premium member, I'll also accept your friend request so you can talk directly to me, Sensei, and Ed Nevius. I do that straight away for you as a premium member. Also, if you don't like the service, you can always cancel it next month if you don't feel that you're getting any benefit. But I don't think you'll think that at all. All right, the key. So hopefully that answers your question. Anything else you want to know, please come back to me. Rene Zanen, Discord. You've got a 1 month badge, Rene Zene. I love it. I can upgrade you on Discord now. Okay, you got a 1 month badge. Let me do that for you now. Rene Zanen. I'm not doing onboarding now, but I guess I am because you've asked me to. We can do this now. In members only mode, we can do a lot more things for our members. So I like being in members only mode. Let me go over to there and find you. There you are. This is, what is your name? I've lost you now. Where are you? Rene Zanen. Rene Zanen. Let me get your name as well, because we're going to give you a nickname which is Renee Zan, and we have the same name, so everybody will engage with you. Otherwise, nobody will know who you are. Let me share with you what I'm doing. I've just found you. There you are. You've got a 1 month badge now, so I can upgrade you on Discord. I can go into here, roles, and give you a YouTube membership. It's not as priority as Discord Premium, but it is a role so you can access the services. Member. There you go. You're a member now. I'm going to change your nickname. There's your nickname. And if you've sent me a friend request, I will accept it. Profile. No, you've not sent me a friend request. If you send me a friend request, I will accept it. I do not send friend requests. I never message anybody. Do not accept friend requests or anyone that messages you. They are not me. I never do it. All right? That's you upgraded. Congratulations. Welcome to the family. Renee Zano.
Like when you go fishing and you catch a bluefish and you got hit it over the head with a baseball bat. Well, thank you. They baseball batted us.
Yes, that's been a tough run for VG. Yeah. Meantime, Alibaba's chief Joe Tsai gave our David Faber a read on the Chinese consumer at CNBC's Converge conference in Singapore.
I wonder what happened then. My battery has gone in my whatchamacallit, in my systems. So my foot switch wasn't working. I thought, I wonder why that changed. Right, okay, let me come back to here a minute. Do that there. Members. Renee. There we go. Oh, hang on. I think I got a friend request. Is this Renee? No, it's not. It's Jake. Sorry, Jake. I can't accept your friend request as you're not a premium customer or a YouTube member. All right, Jake. I'm just going to go and search for you, but I don't think you are. You never know. I don't remember everyone, right? Oh, you're a premium member. Yes, I can accept you straight away. If you are a premium member, Jake, yes, you are. You've just gone premium. So you see, you're in green. So you get priority and you get immediate access. Plus, you get that membership as well. Accept. You're very welcome. Thank you. There you go. Accepted that. Roles. Okay. There you go. You're all done. Thank you very much indeed. I've accepted your friend request. Thank you. Breakfast bar. Let me go into the breakfast bar. Mike, thank you for Mike. Every day we go into the breakfast bar. Thank you, Mike. I've got to take a look at this from James 007. Jake, I'm the key who just responded to you. Oh, you're the person who said, oh, I see, the key. Yes. Oh, I'm going to change your name then. Thank you for letting me know you're the key. Because what I'm going to do is you get immediate access. Now then, the key, we are in the process of recording a set of training videos, which you get for free. All premium customers do once they're done. All right. You can also talk to Sensei, Ed Nevius, and so on. Thank you. And you can access all the channels now. Whoops. Oops. I meant to say. Oops. Try that again. Going too fast. Thank you. Okay. Just going to bring you up on the screen a moment. Profile. View profile. Back to here. Let me just take care of that. Jake. Members. Jake. There you go. And I'm going to change nickname. And it was, what was it? The key.
Nils Frisk has become a member.
The key. There you go. You're on the screen. The key. You're upgraded. You're all taken care of. Lovely stuff. Thank you very much indeed. Yeah, the free training is coming. The videos are coming. And you can already talk to Sensei and Ed Nevius and everything else. You can see all the channels. Take part. Now, you're also now a researcher. You can also now be a researcher to the show. If you want me to cover certain stocks, you can send links into the channel. That's called Links for YouTube. Send me links in, and if there's something you want me to cover during a live show, I can do that for you as a member. It's another premium benefit. If you are a premium customer, that's priority. So if you are a premium customer, member of the family, if you send me links for YouTube, I will do those first. Now, let me show you who our premium members are. Can you see here? Anyone see? I'm in gold, and if you right-click me, you'll see that my username is Martyn Lucas. Anybody else is not me. All right, I'm the only one. And I don't mean the display name. I don't mean the logo. I mean the username. I'm the only one with Martyn Lucas. Everybody else is Martyn Lucas with 2 dots and eyes and stuff. That's me. All our premium members who get links for YouTube straight away. If you send me a link for YouTube, which is this one here, where it's links for YouTube, a new story, a stock that's trending, something you want me to cover, I can make a quick story on it. Links for YouTube in this here. You send it in, I'll go in here and go, look, Stacey sent me this, I can go in. And if your name is in green, like you see here, look, this person's in green, I make a video on it straight away. So you get a reaction video straight away on the things that you want. So it really promotes your favorite stock and so on and so forth. I do that for my premium customers because they rank higher. Now, you're in green for money, because you're supporting the channel, and you'll notice that you've got Lucasade. You are one of the Lucasade family, and you've got a heart of gold. See that emoji? That's because you're supporting the channel, and of course you get priority because you're supporting the channel. All right, makes sense? All right. Would say about today. Wonder what all the crybabies from yesterday would say about today. Yes. Slept in, missed H-bar dip. Oh well, morning all. 1 of 7 billion. How you doing? James 007. Let's get ready to rumble. Hi, Mike. Mike Mealy just became a member. Thank you, Mike. Let me give you all your perks and benefits. There's your membership video. Make sure that you go and check that out, and you see all the benefits that you get. You can now request all kinds of different things. We've just got, is Palantir overvalued? Yes, it is, but it's likely to go back up again. It's likely to go back up again on what? But it's a gamble, though. You're overpaying. Alex Karp shouldn't be doing it. I don't know how he gets away with it legally, honestly. Morning, family. Smash the like button. James, good morning. Morning, James. All my members get shown on the screen as well. Mike Mealy just upgraded their membership. Mike Mealy has just become gold. Now, Mike Mealy, you've just become gold on the channel. Now, what that does, you get discounts in the shop. You also get up to 1 hour a month with me, one-on-one private call. You can also go on the homepage of the channel like a sponsor in a way. You're not a full-time sponsor, but you can go on the homepage of the channel. You have to request that if you are a YouTuber and you want me to put you on the homepage so you'll get more subscribers. I can do that for you. And you can also message me during the shows and say, I'd like to. You can also call in, get priority to call in. And also you can ask me to have set up a one-on-one call with me, and you can talk to me one-on-one on a video call. You can do that, Mike Mealy. So you get extra benefits as a gold member. And thank you for supporting the channel. That's a huge thing. Thank you so much indeed. If you give me your username once you become a 1 month badge, then I can upgrade you on Discord as well. Or if you want to access Discord straight away, there is the link. All right. Let them roll, baby. Let them roll. So I purchased Invesco S&P shares on tax. No more exchange rates beating me up. Just following your S&P. Dan Russell TX still 40,000 though. Did CPI come out already? Yes, it was a great day. It was a great day. It was a beat as expected. That's why the market rallied. I warned everyone not to buy it. You should have already bought it. It's already selling off. Be careful. But it is a great, great day. Right, I've just had someone access my account with a fake name, and he's getting banned. All right, you are already banned, and good luck to you doing that. And we're getting more and more legal proceedings go out as well. All sorts of stuff. Don't know why people bother doing this. There you go. There's another one. Okay. Right. Let's move on. Whoa. Yes, it was a great beat. I'll give you the numbers. There will be a video coming out shortly and on Palantir. But I will read it to you as well. and we'll read the news to you as well. Or you can rewind back. The first 5 minutes of this video, this live stream, will tell you everything you want to know. But I'll give you the numbers anyway. We were expecting core inflation. We were expecting. Where's it gone? Where's it gone? Let me just refresh that. Oops, a daisy. Countries. No, that's not right. What's going on here? United States. Right, here we go. So core inflation year on year, previous 3%. They were expecting 2.9. It was 2.8. It was a great beat. That's the year on year. Inflation rate month on month, previous 0.5, expecting 0.3. We got 0.2. It was really good. Core inflation rate year on year, previous 3.3, expecting 3.2 or 3.1. We got 3.1. And core inflation month on month, previous 0.4, expecting 0.3, we got 0.2. So it was a win-win all across the board. That's why the market rallied. Okay. Great day. Okay. Now then, if you just tuned in, consider subscribing, tap the like button, and this is absolutely fantastic. I'm really, really excited. Now then, what we've got coming up next, we've got 2 events coming up next. We're going to end this stream pretty quickly because I've still got to do 2 reviews today. So I've got 2 reviews plus all of this extra stuff. And there's extra stuff today. So what's going on? Let me tell you what's going on. We have got coming up next, right after this, which is in 42 minutes. It's pinned to the chat. There it is. We won the Oscars of YouTube. This is coming up in 9:30 Central, 10:30 Eastern Time in 42 minutes. The link is in the chat. I'm very excited to announce something. We've won the Oscars of YouTube, and it's really, really cool, and I really am excited about it. I'll explain it all live. There is the event if you want to join me. As I end this live stream, it will take you to that one. I'm very proud of this. Extremely proud of this, actually. And then, we don't need that. That's the Fed report. Then we've got, straight after that, we have got at 10 a.m. in 71 minutes, we have got the XRP pump. We're going to do 20 minutes of pumping XRP for fun. We like to do this. It's fun. It engages everybody. The XRP army enjoy it. And we have a lot of fun with it. The XRP live pump event. Very, very exciting news. We're going to cover that for you. All right. And then after that, I'm going to come back with more members reviews. See what I'm saying? We did get a beat. It was exactly as we said, but we said don't buy it. Wait for it to settle. Everyone's just taking money out of it again. It's great, though. You can be really confident now and buy the dip. This is a good opportunity if you've not yet bought the pump. And the reason why this is still volatile is because we have PPI tomorrow, which could throw everything under the bus, but I think it'll be fine. And then we have the big throw under the bus, which is just stupid and waste of time, the Michigan report. Don't even know why we do it. It's a political event just to say whatever the sitting president is doing is rubbish, basically. Whether it's good or bad, they'll say it's rubbish, and the market will just trade on it, and it's silly. It shouldn't even be allowed, but it is. That's the markets do stupid stuff. It's like snakes and ladders, and Friday, we're going down the snake. That's all there is. That's the best way of putting it. All right, there's that. Now then, after our pump event, I would say we'll need to be back at, should we say 11 o'clock for our members reviews. All right, so we'll do that. Members reviews. We'll put this at 11 a.m. This is members reviews when I do your stocks. We're doing 2 today. We're going to be doing JP Morgan ETF and Resolve. There we go. Live shows. It's a members only event. Upcoming members only. Upcoming members only live stream. There you go. Show more. This will be at 11 o'clock. I'm setting that up now. Next. Yeah. Next. And if we make this at 11 o'clock, March the 12th, 11 a.m. after our pump event. There you go. All right, there it is. All set. Lots of events for you set up today. So we're going to take a break now, and I'm going to send you all to the Oscars event, which comes up next. Then we have the XRP pump event, and then we have a members only stream where we're going to do 2 more reviews for you. All right. So, and if you request one during that stream, I'll be able to add that to the list. And the top bid to get your stream, to get your review done, only is $5. So these are, JP Morgan was $20. That's why we're doing it next. Resolve was $10. That's why we're doing it second. And then Poet will be tomorrow, which is $5. So if you bid above $5, or anyone who's bid $5 adds $1, you'll be next. And that'll be done on Thursday after PPI. And then we have, of course, on Friday, we have the Michigan report, and then we have the Friday concert. Lots lined up for you. All right, so let me come back to here and get ready for our Oscars show, which is in 38 minutes. So what we're going to do now, we're live right now. We're going to send you to the Oscars. It's a special members video, members only live stream. Let me put that there in the chat. Let me do your final questions. So if you'd like to ask any questions now, put it in the chat and I'll cover all your questions live now. We've got 5 minutes of Q&A. So if you want to do Q&A right now, before I end this live stream, please fire away. It's live Q&A. Anything you want to do, and if you need to be upgraded on Discord, you want to know how YouTube works, you've got a question about anything, ask me right now. If I become a millionaire from XRP, I'll still make saw blades, but for fun. Josh Monroe, there you go. Oh, talking of Josh Monroe, was you in yesterday, Josh? Was you in yesterday? Because I've now got you in the gallery. There's Josh Monroe on the screen. This is Josh Monroe here. Did you see this yesterday? There you go. Josh, that's you. And here we go. Here is our little video of all of our Lucas aides with their mugs. If you want one, there's our giant mug. We've got a new giant one now. There is the shop, martynlucasshop.com. All right. Fantastic. Live Q&A. Please subscribe. Thank you, James. That's very nice, mate. Let's get everyone to subscribe to my... Oh, that's awesome. Thank you, mate. We really do enjoy the shows on the Friday night. Don't we have fun with that? Absolutely brilliant. No more Q&A? No one got a question? Flipping out. Hasn't MSK aged since we done this show? Everyone's getting older, right? Look at that. We've been going nearly 4 years now. Some of these people have got a lot older, including myself. Bloody hell. Amazing. Poor man, rich man. Cheers. When I become a millionaire, I still eat craft dinner. I'll just add 3 or 4 more cheeses. Love it. There's Mike. Any more Q&A at the end of our little run through of all our members here? There's Sarblet. There's Vanessa. I'm going to go over to our special event for We Won the Oscars of YouTube. Then we'll do there's El Bullet, and we've got Jerry coming up as well. There's Alex. There's Mike again. There's Fight Channel. Remember when he won the mug? There we go. There's Jerry. Wonderful stuff. All right. Okay. And here's our last one. We just mentioned Josh Monroe. All right. Okay. So it's now time. I've got no more Q&A, so we'll wrap this up. You're still a spring chicken. Oh, that's nice. You're doing walk and talk, hydrate. Yes. You doing walk and talk? Yeah, walk and talks every night. Walk and talk is now going to be members only. And it's we have a quiz, we have trivia, we go for a walk together, we discuss the day's events. It's a lot of fun. Life starts at 50. I'm glad you mentioned that. I'm really glad you said that. Right. Okay. It's now time to prepare for my next event. Josh Monroe said, yes, I saw my picture. Thanks for adding me. Absolutely right. Hang on, mate. I have a question. Oh, Dan Russell has a question. Right. Fire away. What is your question? We're just about to end the stream. Were you hungover on Tuesday? I did have a bit of a head, yes. These whiskey events are getting harder and harder. I don't know why I do them, to be honest with you. It's a lot of fun, but I always pay for the price. Yeah, I did a little bit. Hang on, mate. I have a question. Were you hungover? I wasn't hungover, but I had a bit of a head. Yes, I did. Verizon is really down today, says Sharpshooter. And James, I like the walk and talk quiz. That was fun, wasn't it? Yeah, well done last night. Everyone got the answers right. It was fun. Right, we'll do a walk and talk tonight as well. All right, guys. Okay, I'm going to go. Going to send you over to We Won the Oscars. It's a members-only event. I'm sure members will love to be part of that. But it's a big day. I wanted to celebrate it with you. All right, I'll see you all back in a bit. We haven't got time for day. Yes, we have. Yes, we have. We'll make time. We'll make time. Day trader of the day. Are you ready? Okay, it's a members-only competition. Let's do it. Here we go. I'm up 1.09%. Let's see who beats me. Let's roll the credits. Here we go. Roll the credits. The stars of our show today. Okay, let's have a look. Are you on the list? Stars of the show today. We've got new subscribers. Sorry, I can't pronounce that. Adrian and Abe. Members, Mike Mealy, Niels Frisk, and Super Chat from Jed. Thank you for the stars of our show. And then Mike Mealy upgraded and became a gold member. Absolutely wonderful. Right, let's see who wins. Congratulations, Martyn, on your award. It's not an award as such. It's a ranking. And I'll explain it all on the live video, on the live stream. Poor Man Rich Man up 0.49. Up. And when I show you what it is, you're going to be really like, oh, wow, that's amazing. All right, up 2.02. Up 2.98. Wow, Henrik. Is Henrik going to win? Up 1.35. Very nice indeed. Is the winner going to be Henrik? Going to give you 30 seconds. We're running out of time. We're about to go. Let me clear the decks. There you go. Are we about to end the stream? Who's going to win? Who's going to win today? Who's it going to be? Patrick up 2.98. 1.35. Mark Saxby up 4.88. Woo! Up 4.88. I'm going to call it. Thank you for your honest trades. Absolutely fantastic. Well done to you. Got to be right. Give them a thumbs up. We're loving it. That's it from me. What a day. So now join me for the live stream, which is in half an hour. And I think you'll enjoy it. It is the Oscars of YouTube. It's a ranking. It's what it's all about. Mark, nice. Well done, Mark. Got to be good, right? What a great day. Like we said, it's now selling off, taking profits. Exactly. But you can buy now with more confidence of inflation coming down. Still got the tariff fears, of course, but a lot better than it was yesterday. I think everyone agrees. It's a great, great result. All right? That's it from me. Stay where you are. The link's in the chat. Let me end the poll. You were all right. 566 votes. Incredible. 72% said green. Exactly what I thought as well. Well done. The link for the Oscars is in the chat. It'll take you there automatically. Then we have an XRP pump. And then we have a members-only event as well for reviews. There is the link as well. All right. I'll see you back in a bit. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.